Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today we are loading 11 pallets over 20,000 pounds or 10 tons of material going to another big job. And this is for one of our partner companies that we manufacture for them. And we use their own recipe, their own raw materials, and we just do the manufacturing for them, and we ship the products to their customer from here. And it's always exciting to see this much of material on the move. Just another day for getting the job done efficiently and on time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.